Hi everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. Today, we're going to talk about how to write a leave letter for school. Life happens, whether it's due to illness, personal reasons, or family emergencies, and sometimes students need to take time off from school. Knowing how to craft a clear and polite leave letter is a skill every parent or guardian should have. In this video, we'll break down a sample letter step by step so you'll know exactly what to write and why. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start with your contact information. The first part of any formal letter is the header, where you include your personal details. In this sample, we see Michael Thompson, 789 Willow Street, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, 17104. Phone, 717-555-6732. Email, matthompson@gmail.com. This section tells the recipient, usually the class teacher, who's writing the letter and how they can get in touch with you. Always include your full name, address, phone number, email. Why is this important? Because if the teacher needs to confirm details or share information about missed work, they'll have all the necessary contact details at their fingertips. Step 2. Add the date. Next, include the date on which you're writing the letter. In this case, it's December 15th, 2024. This might seem like a small detail, but it's important for record keeping. The school will often file these letters, and having the exact date helps them track when the leave request was made. Always use the full date format: month, day, and year. Step 3. Address the recipient. After the date, you'll write the recipient's details. Here's how it looks in our sample. Mrs. Rebecca Carter, class teacher, grade 8, Springfield Middle School, 456 Park Avenue, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, 17104. If you're unsure about the teacher's title, such as Ms. versus Mrs., check the school directory or email the office to confirm. Step 4. Write a clear subject line. Now, we move on to the subject line, which gives the reader a quick idea of what the letter is about. In our sample, request for leave for medical reasons. The subject line is like a headline. It gets straight to the point. Use simple language and avoid unnecessary details. This helps the teacher know immediately why you're writing. Step 5. Begin with a polite salutation. Next is the salutation. Here's what we have. Dear Mrs. Carter, if you know the teacher's name, always address them directly. It adds a personal touch. If not, you can use a general salutation like, Dear class teacher, or Dear sir, madam, but using the teacher's name is ideal. Step 6. The opening paragraph. Now, let's get to the main body of the letter. Start with a polite introduction that clearly states the purpose of your request. Here's the opening from our sample. I am writing to formally request leave for my son, Ethan Thompson, a student in your grade 8 class, due to medical reasons. Ethan has been diagnosed with a severe flu and has been advised by his doctor to rest at home for recovery. The recommended leave period is from December 16th, 2024 to December 20th, 2024. This paragraph does several things. 1. Introduces the student. Mention their full name and grade or class. 2. Explains the reason for leave. Here, it's a medical issue. 3. Includes the specific dates. This is essential so the school knows exactly when your child will be absent. Always be clear and concise in this section. Avoid unnecessary details, but make sure the essential information is there. Step 7. Address potential concerns. In the next paragraph, acknowledge how the absence might affect the student's academics and offer a solution. The sample says, I understand that this absence may impact Ethan's studies, and I assure you that we will ensure he catches up on missed assignments and lessons as soon as he is well enough. If there are specific materials or instructions he can work on at home during this time, please let us know so we can make the necessary arrangements. This paragraph does 2 important things. 1. Shows responsibility. You acknowledge that missing school has consequences and commit to helping your child catch up. 2. Offers a proactive solution. Ask the teacher if there's any work your child can do at home. This approach demonstrates your cooperation and ensures the teacher feels supported in managing your child's absence. Step 8. Provide contact information. Next, make it easy for the teacher to reach out if they have questions or need more information. In our sample, thank you for your understanding and support in this matter. Please feel free to contact me at 717-555-6732 or mthompson@gmail.com if you require further information or documentation. This is a courteous way to end the body of the letter. By offering your contact details again, you make it clear that you're open to communication. Step 9. Close the letter politely. Finally, wrap up the letter with a professional closing statement. The sample says, "Sincerely, signature, Michael Thompson." Sincerely is a classic and appropriate way to end formal letters. Sign your name below it, or if you're typing the letter, just type your name and include your handwritten signature if possible. And that's it. A complete professional leave letter for school. Let's quickly recap. Start with your contact information, the date, and the recipient's details. Use a clear subject line and polite salutation. In the body, explain the reason for the leave, provide the dates, and offer solutions to help your child stay on track. End with a courteous closing and make it easy for the teacher to contact you. Writing a leave letter doesn't have to be complicated. Just keep it clear, respectful, and concise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Writing Tutorials, and let us know in the comments if there's another type of letter you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.